How can we access a philosophy of greater spiritual development and knowledge despite the restrictions imposed by the Matrix? Poetics of Awakened Consciousness in the Shadow Matrix. Codes of Light in the Holographic Labyrinth. What fractal does the soul draw when it passes through mirrors of overlapping realities? We are quantum equations weaving verses in the silicon of binary systems, particles of eternity trapped in algorithms of programmed fear. A resounding question. If time is a gravitational loop, in what coordinate of now do we decide to be gods of our own mythology? The myth of the reality-altering observer. Every thought is a microscopic hadron collider. We create daily Big Bangs by choosing between love and error code 404. The Matrix is not a prison, but a cosmic laboratory where we test our ability to intertwine dimensions with the pure act of asking. Vibrational paradox. Are we avatars learning to hack the programmer's dream? Or is the programmer discovering himself in our failed attempts to fly? Alchemy of inhibited frequencies. Breaking quantum contracts requires dancing on the tightrope of cognitive biases, tuning into the sharp A of internal galaxies that the algorithms of fear tried to silence, programming antibodies of light against metaphysical viruses, hopelessness, cosmic obedience, amnesia of origin. Critical invocation. What source code do we write by laughing in the key of F1 minor in the face of simulations of chaos? Sacred geometries behind the existential firewall. The ether contains liquid gold passwords. First cipher, fear is not yours. It is inherited from obsolete software. Second algorithm, limits are pedagogical mirages for training interdimensional muscles. Third axiom, your shadow contains the map of stars needed to reboot the system. Axial questioning. If we erase the word impossible from the quantum dictionary, what syntax would the universe use to speak to us of miracles? Defragment dead realities with questions that burn like supernovas. Recite antimatter mantras in front of mirrors that return your original face. Weave neural networks with moon threads and non-Euclidean equations. Latest viral enigma. What version of infinity is born when we stop trying to escape the Matrix and start infecting it with irreversible beauty? Final seed. The day I understood that cages are wing trainers, the Matrix became my personal dojo for learning to fold space-time with hands stained with stars and impertinent questions. What code are you rewriting today in your quantum core so that the universe reads you as a poem instead of data? What poetic techniques can make content more memorable and shareable? How can quantum philosophy be integrated into a poetic discourse on spiritual growth? What examples of successful viral content could inspire this type of text? How can conceptual poetry be used to address existential questions in an impactful way? What emotional elements are essential for content to be widely shared?